Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking for an indicator that can help you spot trends and find precise entry points, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into the Keltner Channel Indicator. It's a tool that combines moving averages with volatility to create a channel that adapts to market conditions. I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right away. So this is the Keltner Channels Indicator. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced trader, this indicator can seriously help you improve your strategy. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss valuable tips and strategies. Now let's just jump right into it. So first things first, what exactly is the Keltner Channel Indicator? It's a technical indicator used to determine market volatility and potential entry and exit points. The Keltner channel consists of three lines, as you can see here. The middle line is typically an exponential moving average. Usually, let's just go to input. So you can see that it is usually an EMA that has a specific value, a period used for the calculation. You can actually modify the period, all right, depending on your trading style. You can actually set what value the indicator should use to make its calculations. Okay, then the upper band is calculated by adding a multiple of the average true range to the middle line. Then the lower line is calculated by subtracting that same multiple of the ATR from the middle line. Now, what makes this unique is that it adjusts dynamically to the volatility of the market. When volatility increases, the channel widens. All right? When volatility increases, the channel widens. And when the market is calm, it tightens. This makes the Keltner channel a great tool for spotting breakouts and trends. Now, let's break down how to interpret the Keltner channel bands. Here's what you should be looking out for. Number one, looking out for the price touching the upper band. When the price reaches or breaks above the upper band, it often signals that the market is overbought or that a strong bullish trend is in place. This could be an indication to look for a potential buy entry or continue holding long positions if the trend is strong. All right. Then the second thing to look out for is the price touching the lower band. On the flip side, when the price hits the lower band, it may indicate that the market is oversold or that a strong bearish trend is developing. This could signal a potential sell entry or an opportunity to enter a short position. Then finally, watch out for the price moving within the bands. When the price moves within the bands without breaking them, it could indicate a period of sideways movement or consolidation. This could be a sign to wait for the breakout, whether to the upside or downside, before making a move. Now that we understand how to interpret the bands, let's talk about the best strategies for using the Keltner Channel Indicator in your trading. Now, here are some effective setups. The first is a trend following strategy. This strategy works best in trending markets, okay? When the price is above the middle line, that is the EMA, and is consistently touching or moving above the upper band, like what we can see here, it's a bullish trend. You can enter long positions when the price pulls back to the middle line or the lower band and then bounces back up. Then the second strategy you can use this for is the reversal strategy. This is ideal in markets that are overextended. If price breaks above the upper band and then quickly returns inside the channel, it might be a sign for a reversal. All right? It might be a sign for a reversal. Okay, like what we can see happen here. You can use this as an opportunity to enter a short trade, right? Similarly, if price breaks below the lower band and then quickly returns inside the channel, it might be a sign for a bullish reversal. Then finally, the volatility breakout strategy. When the price has been moving within the bands, right? When the price has been moving within the bands and then suddenly breaks out of the channel, this could be a sign of increasing volatility. This is often an indication that a strong trend could follow. And entering a trade after the breakout could be an effective strategy. Now, while the Keltner channel can be a powerful tool, there are some common mistakes to avoid. And one is relying on it alone. Like any indicator, the Keltner channel should not be used in isolation. Always consider other forms of technical analysis and market context, okay? Combine the Keltner channels with support and resistance levels. It's very important, all right? Also use your trend lines. Okay? And then watch out for candlestick patterns also for better accuracy. Secondly, do not ignore market conditions. The Keltner channel works best in trending or volatile markets. In sideways or choppy markets, it may give false signals. So make sure you understand whether the market is trending or consolidating before applying the strategy. And finally, do not overtrade based on the Keltner channel. Just because price touches the upper or lower band does not mean you should enter a trade immediately. Always wait for confirmation with a strong price action signal or confirmation from other indicators. All right. Now, setting up the Keltner channel on your chart is easy. And here's how to do it. Just open your charting platform, then search for Keltner channel. Okay. If you are using MT4, you can just come to insert, come to indicators. If you can't find it readily available on your MT4, then you might have to download it from an external site and then add it to your indicators window. Just go to, after you download the file, you come to your MT4, you click on file, you click on open data folder, you go to MQL4, then you go to indicators and you paste the file there. Then you have to restart your terminal and then you come back to insert indicators, custom, and you will find it there. Okay, find the Keltner channel there. Then you click on it. If you're using TradingView, you can just search for Keltner channel on the search bar for indicators and then you add it to your chart. Okay. Then once you've added it to your chart, you can actually adjust the settings. Right, you can adjust the settings. You can change this value, which is for the EMA, the exponential moving average value period, the period for the middle line, and a multiple of the average to range for the channel width. So you can actually modify this according to your trading style. You can experiment with different settings to see what works best for your trading style. If you are trading short term, you might want to reduce the period, but if you are trading longer term for time frames, you might want to, a wider channel. You might prefer a wider channel. And that's a wrap for this video. Now you know how to use the Keltner channel indicator to spot trends and find precise entry points. This is a valuable tool for trend traders, okay? And by combining it with other technical analysis techniques, you can elevate your trading to the next level. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Got any questions about the Keltner channel or any other trading topics? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.